How are you doing, everybody? Jonathan here, and in this video I actually am changing my setting. I actually would like to make a lot more videos than I do, but usually it's a lot of work to get in front of the hot cameras, especially during the summertime, and then I have to be shaven. To be quite honest with you, I hate shaving, and then it has to be right place, right time, and I got to do a lot of editing. If it were up to me, I would do more vlogs, but sometimes I think you guys want to see me more like standing in front of my plaques and talking. But I'm going to make an effort to be more active on YouTube, so I might be doing videos like this where I'm just going through my daily trainer stuff, or I might be in my car, because a lot of times great ideas hit me and then I'm in my car or I'm not in a position to record, and then by the time I get home I forget to make the video or it's too late. So I may be making more impromptu videos, and then just let me know what your thoughts are. I'll appreciate your feedback. So today is Sunday, July 8th, and we're in the summertime, and a lot of trainers ask me, what do you do when clientele starts to drop in the summertime? And summertime is the best time to do group training, because with group training, hold on, I'm getting a lot of text. With group training, you're going to be able to attract multiple people, and your existing clients will be able to pull their friends in. So these 3 clients that I'm actually going to call are referrals. Now, the reason why I'm recording this is because a lot of people don't understand how easy life can be when you do group training. I operate almost entirely off of a script, so I'm saying the exact same thing. I'm going to be able to accommodate 3 new people at a time that I'm working anyway. So group training is where it's at in terms of making sure that you're able to make more money and in less time. So let's make these calls. I will let you know what it's like. I'm basically going to say the same thing. I don't know if these people are going to answer, but I figure you might want to see how I operate on a day-to-day basis. And if you do, great, I'll make more videos like that. If not, well then that's perfectly fine. I'll just make more plaque videos, but I'll send out fewer of them. All right, so this first person is named Christine. She was referred from Diana, and I just want her to be comfortable. That's all.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system.
Voicemail. So this is how I leave my voicemails.
At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Good afternoon. This message is for Christine. Christine, this is Jonathan calling from BFF Boot Camp. I got your information from Diana, who started boot camp last week, and then she told me that you were interested in starting with her at the 5:30 class. So when you get this message, please give me a call back. The best number to reach me is, and then I'll let you know everything that you need for your first day, and hopefully I can get you started tomorrow. So again, this is Jonathan. Give me a call back when you can. I'll send you a text, and I will speak to you soon. All right, bye-bye. All right, so as you can see, I was putting together my video, and a couple minutes passed, and one of the people actually called me back. So I will actually be able to let you guys know what it's like to speak directly to a client and how I handle things. My goal is just to make sure they're comfortable. So I actually rejected their call. I'm going to call them back right now. This was Christine, the first person that called. So this recording wasn't a waste of time. Let's see how it goes.
Hello?
Hello, good afternoon. This is Jonathan calling from BFF Boot Camp. Is Christine available?
Yes, this is Christine.
Hi, Christine. Did I catch you at a bad time?
No, everything's good. I was just on the phone before. I'm sorry.
Okay, no worries. So yes, I spoke to Diana. She's been doing boot camp classes for about a week, and then she said that you were interested in starting, yes?
Yes, I am.
Okay, and are you looking to start tomorrow with her at the 5:30 class?
Yeah, I can start tomorrow. That's no problem.
Okay, good. This is going to be your first time exercising in a while?
Yes, it is.
Okay, are you nervous at all?
A bit. A bit nervous because it's been maybe about a year that I've actually worked out more consistently. It's been a year that I haven't actually very lightly active.
Okay. Okay, fair. All right, so essentially there are a number of different exercise abilities in the class. We have some people that have been there for years. We have some people that have been there for less than 6 months, and we have like your friend Diana. She just started last week. So the main goal for me is to make sure that you can just get through the class. All right, I'm not looking for you to become a hero or anything. I would actually prefer that the first workout be a little bit too easy as opposed to a little bit too difficult, because it's going to be a lot of legs, so I don't want you to be overly sore tomorrow. Make sense?
Okay, yes, makes sense.
Okay, now, are there any injuries that I need to know about? Knees, back, shoulders, elbows, otherwise?
No, nothing.
Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to send you an email. It's going to go over a couple of things you have to remember for your first day. At the bottom of the email, it's also going to have a link to a video detailing how to get to the facility, because it's a little bit difficult to find the first time around. But if you watch the video, I guarantee it'll be much easier. Also, if you can get in a little bit early, like to the tune of 5 minutes early, 5:25, I'm just going to have you sign a waiver and your trial term agreement so that you understand exactly how to get through the class, so that you understand the terms for your 30 days, rather.
Okay, no problem.
All right.
You do that.
Did you purchase a Groupon, or did Diana just tell you about the class?
I did it through the Groupon, but she did tell me about the class before I purchased it.
Okay, so you already have the Groupon. All right, so if you can pull that up on your phone, I'll redeem it also when you sign your waiver.
Okay, perfect.
All right, so the main thing, the most important thing is that we work on a gymnastics floor, so we try to keep it as clean as possible. To that end, you're gonna have to wear a pair of sneakers. You're gonna have to bring an extra pair of sneakers that you don't wear outdoors, and then you're gonna change into them into the lobby, and then you'll be all set.
Okay,
All
perfect. All right.
Any extra questions for me?
No, I guess I'll see how the class will be the first day tomorrow.
All right, yeah, we're gonna take it easy. We're just gonna make sure that you have a good time. You already know somebody that's in the class. She hasn't died yet, so you're not gonna die either. All right.
Okay, perfect.
All right. All right.
Thank you so much.
Not a problem. I will see you tomorrow at around 5:25.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
No problem. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
All right, so that's about it. What are my main goals? My main goal, number one, is to get all the information I need out. Number two is to assess their level of anxiety about starting their first class, because you don't want to throw the hammer at them. Some people are very type A, and they want you to be like in their face from the first day. Not everybody is that way. And then I want to make sure that she's able to find the facility. Last but not least, I want to try to get a little bit of a laugh out of her. All right, break the tension, because a lot of people have these ideas of what a personal trainer or what a boot camp trainer is supposed to be, and I want to crush that and let them know that, you know, I'm going to be a nice guy. You're going to be okay. Everything's going to be fine. So I think I accomplished that with that call. The call in total took about 3 minutes, so I'm cool with that. And that's really all you have to do. You have to have a directed approach to how you're going to speak to the clients when they start. And this is what I do on a typical daily basis. It's kind of boring because everything is so automated, but it's lucrative, it's easy, and that's why I feel boot camps are the best option, or at least required additional option in addition to personal training if you want to see success. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to see more videos of just like everyday regular stuff that I do, let me know. It will help me to be a lot more active on YouTube, because I can make these videos wherever I am instead of having to be home in front of the camera, in front of the office. So hope you found this video helpful. If you have any comments, put them below, and I will see you next time.